For this first part of a project, we use a cylinder bottle which had a diameter of 7 centimeters. Here we have the formula for the volume of a cylinder, which is volume is equal to pi times radius squared times the height. Now we get the derivative of volume with respect of time, which is 300 centimeter cubed over 12.52 seconds, which is how much it lasted. The cylinder had a capacity of 300 milliliter. Now we substitute in the formula. We have pi times radius square. The radius is 3.5 times the derivative of height with respect to the derivative of time. Now we isolate this variable and we end up having 300 over 12.52 times pi times 3.5 square, and this gave us 0.62294729, and this is equal to the derivative of height with respect to time. This is a constant number since we're dealing with 3 other different constants, and in order to get this constant we need to have all of these numbers as constants, and as the radius doesn't change, so this means the derivative of height is also constant.
The first step is to get the measurements, which we already have, and to get the formula, which we also already have. So then we need to start substituting. Volume will equal 1/3 times pi times h over 3 squared times height, which will then equal 1/27 pi times h over 3 over 1. So then we'll get the derivative of volume over the derivative of time. This will equal 1/27 pi times 3h to the square times the derivative of height over the derivative of time. We then find out that dv over dt equals 1/27 29 1/9 pi h to the square times dh over dt. We already found out that the derivative of time of volume over time is 2.68 seconds. It's 84.82 cubic centimeters in the span of 2.68 seconds. This will equal 1/9 pi h to the square times dh over dt. This leaves us with the derivative of height over time equaling 84.82 over 2.68, all this over pi over 9 times, and in here we'll substitute our h that we decided we wanted to get the rate, which will be 4.5 centimeters, which is the middle. After putting all this in the calculator, we get that it will equal we get that it all equals dH over dt equals 4.48. This means that the height in respect to time increases rate of 4.48 cubic centimeters per second.